Kakakahiaka. Good morning. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Mr. Rogers here. Hey, you know, I just recently shared a bunch of videos about my hometown of Laie. In one video we visited the Mormon temple, then we rode on the campus of Brigham Young University, and then saw the outside of the Polynesian Cultural Center, the largest living museum in Hawaii. Another day we took you over to the Hukilau beach, learned a little bit about net fishing, and then I introduced you to our lovely Laie bike path, and then we went and checked the surf out at my favorite surf spot, Castles. Another video, we took a beachside off-road trek at Mailai Kahana State Park at sunrise. Well, today I want to take you on the final chapter of the Laie ride. And this is, I saved the best for last. It's our featured scenic viewpoint at Laie WAYSIDE State Park. And it features Puka Rock, which is our rock with a hole in it. Hey you guys. The only problem with that viewpoint is it's only a half a mile from the house. So I decided to come out on the bike path and stretch my legs a little bit and ride through the neighborhood. I can get up to about 10 miles, so it's a good little ride. And I'll end up at the viewpoint at Laie Point. Fortunately, my son and my 8-year-old grandson are the pilots of the drones today. Very happy to have them aboard. All right, we'll be there in a little bit. Oh, don't forget to bring a nice rain jacket. There's a very good chance you're going to get some ocean spray on you today. We're going to get that close. All right, see you in a bit.
run where the heart so.
In a prison with only one window, a little club on the outskirts of tedium. The scenic was unbelievable, velvet paintings hung from my cell. They had the likeness of Don Ho and Elvis. The jukebox sang about some LA hotel. And that's why I'm singing you this song. And that's why the band plays along. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. Stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. Watch the flowers as they slowly wilt under the rays of the Jamaican sun. Everything seems to stay just the same. No one changes, no one chooses to run. And that's why I'm singing you this song. And that's why the band plays along. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. Stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. am stuck in the middle. I got music going round in my head. I got so many things I wanna tell you. It's all the stuff that's never been said.